Welcome back again to another brand new video. Insane. Over 1,000 pips were caught last week. Okay, you see this whole up move here? This was the craziest trade of my life. Okay, watch. I will break this down and show you exactly how I caught over 1,000 pips. Let me show you. So, ladies and gentlemen, here is exactly how I was able to find this setup. Okay, with the weekly support and resistance, I always tend to put my weekly support and resistance first things first on my charts, and these would be the black lines on my screen. So these black lines are usually my weekly support and resistance. You see we have a resistance here, we have support slash resistance here, we have support here, and we have a support here. So how did I find this 1,000 pip setup? I'll show you. Once you identify the weekly support and resistance, obviously I go in depth with that on my private Discord group. The link is in the description if you are interested. If you're not, however, this video will actually help you a lot on how I look at the market and how simple it is to find setups. You just have to be a little bit patient and give the market time to play out. So breaking it down from the weekly to the daily, once I have this weekly leveled here, once I identify this from obviously, you know, weekly, I'll look at the weekly time frame. Okay, I see that every time market comes here, we see a massive push to the upside. So I'm thinking if the market comes back to this area, I'll be interested in buys. But if you notice here, market did come back and it went all the way back to this zone and even further down. This is why I said patience pays. Because if the market just tapped into this and you started buying it, you would have lost and you would have blew your account. But if you've waited and you saw these rejections, you would have caught this insane 1,000 pip trade. And that's exactly what I did, right? I always have this thing in mind where I don't need to trade to survive. I'm okay. Like, I don't have to take a trade today. I'm okay. I will not die. So if you tell yourself that, like, you don't need to be in a trade 24/7. I know 90% of y'all are in a trade always and never not in a trade, right? So okay, what are we doing? Boom. Once the market did come to this area and formed these two candles on the daily time frame, the market found some sort of a support, right? You see that? That's where these two both daily candles closed at the same exact price. That indicates that, okay, price is respecting this area. Now, the market can wick below as much as it wants to, but if the candles are closing above the support, which means this support is valid and it's not broken. So look what happened here. 1 wick, 2 wick, and then 3 wicks. And the market respected this area multiple times. Now, obviously, a little bit of consolidation here may throw a lot of people off, but if you were just patient, and on the 4-hour time frame, once price found resistance here, I'll show you. I'll use an arrow for a 4-hour resistance. Look at this. I'm like, okay, this support is holding. However, there is a weekly resistance now because we are trading below the weekly resistance. Which one will hold? Will this weekly resistance hold and carry on to the downside and this daily break, or will this daily hold and break this weekly? And that's exactly what you wait for. You wait for some sort of like a breakout. You see how this bullish massive candle, this is why waiting for a candle closure is very important. You see this candle, at some point it was as big as this candle, full green bullish candle, but then where did it close? It closed exactly on that level. If you waited another 4 hours, this was around 14, so 2 o'clock New York session, bang, boom, market closed above the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour resistance. Look, resistance, support. So price is trading now above all these 3 levels, which indicates a strong probability that the market is ready to travel. So the reason why I wait for these kind of setups and they're high profitable is because if you put a stop loss below, like it's gonna take a lot for the market to break not just 1 but 2 and 3 support to get to your stop loss. That's why the safer your stop loss is, the higher the setup is, you know, the more the more profitable the setup is. So be picky with your setups, right? Be picky. I always use the when you go to the store and you want to buy apples, you're not going to pick blind. You're going to feel each and every apple. You're going to choose the strong, the healthy, the clean ones, right? But you're not going to choose one that's have bugs on, or dirty, or soft, feel soft. You're going to choose the hard, solid, rock apples. That's how you should look at trading. You need to pick the solid trades. You need to pick the good trades over the bad trades. So once this 4-hour candle closed, bam, I'm not now, okay, we have 4-hour resistance above it. We have weekly, now we are above it, which means this is a support, and the daily still holding. Very interesting. Here's what I did. You go to your buy position and you say, okay, if price comes around this area, I'll be looking for buys. And then you can put stop loss here, doesn't matter. But what matters is you found the setup. And then obviously TP could have ran up until 1,000 points, as you can see, 1,000 pips, my bad. So now some of you all may think, oh, but you're just breaking this down on TradingView. How do we know you actually caught this trade? Okay, I will show you. I will put a screenshot of MetaTrader 5 on the 20 pips challenge. I will not show you my real account. However, I will show you a screenshot of my MetaTrader, the $20, and how well I did buying this pair. Boom. I will put the screenshot on your screens and you will see how much I've been buying this pair for sure. Like throughout this whole buys, I've been buying it. So guys, it's really that simple. You just gotta be patient and wait for them setups, right? And that's exactly what I've been doing. Every time price breaks the support, I'll wait for some sort of a retracement, and put everything together as a formula. I do have this little Fibonacci going on as well, right? This is a little bit more advanced. If you are interested to know more about how I find the really like sniper entry based on the Fibonacci's, that's in the Discord. The link is in the description if you are interested. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Just a little quick breakdown, and this is how you catch 1,000 pips. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.